Hello and welcome to today's flip through. I had shown this journal a while back, but it's kind of grown since then, so I thought I would do another flip through, and then if we've got time I'll see if there are any pages that I can actually add to, or make some changes, or there may be a page that hasn't got anything on it yet. So let us have a look through. Now I love doodling, and this was when I think first started out, and now I do it slightly different, so I would love to even maybe work on this page and do something. But all of these pages, if you think about your art journal and some of the things that you've done in them, they can be reused, and you can scan them into your computer, and then you've got, you're looking for paper ephemera, you've actually got it in your stash. And some of the pages that you really love, why not use those images again? All of this is just perfect for me to kind of just spend some time relaxing with the page and just doing some more doodling, and what that does is bring out the figures even more. But I'm gonna go through it. I'll have some background music playing and we'll come together at the end. Looking to see which page stood out, and this one stood out to me most, so I'm gonna have a play and add some additional markings, and I hope that you have been inspired to maybe look back in one of your journals and see if there's something additional that you can do. And I did notice that pages that I have at the back are pockets which are currently empty, so there's some things that can go on them, and I can also add maybe some of my figures, maybe things like I've got some bookmarks that could go on one of the pages. So I'll maybe look and see if there's a few things that I can add after doing this. So I hope you enjoy. And there we have it.